Hey guys, here is a tutorial on how to wear a headband wig. And I'm using a headband wig from UniWigs. It's a real human hair, so you can use your hot tools to style your hair. So it comes with the headband that is attached to the wig. It also has 3 hooks at the front and also one at the back, so you can secure your wig perfectly. It also comes with a bunch of stuff in a pouch. It comes with 2 wig caps, 3 extra headbands where you can style it later, and also a comb.